What is going on, CYPRX YouTubers? Welcome back to the CYPRX YouTube page. If you're new here, as always, if you're interested in learning about cryptocurrency, commodities, indices, and foreign exchange, please go ahead and consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. I want you all to take a second and laugh at all the bullish YouTubers right now. Please, everybody just take a second. Laugh at all the bullish YouTubers who have been filling your head with bullish jargon for the past, let's just say 3 months, going on 3 months now, since around November. Let's just say the end of November. All right, we'll zoom up to the charts. Okay, around November 27th is when I started telling everybody that coins like XRP, coins like Casper are going to see a nasty sell-off. And as you can see right here at the top, we see November 27th. Okay, now just to show you that the proof is in the pudding and I'm not sitting here filling your head with all these bullish expectations, I want to play something for you guys. This is a Casper video that I put out 2 weeks ago. Okay, let's rewind this just a little bit. Zoom it in for you all. That can come into fruition. That would definitely give Casper a nice little pump in volume. Now to the downside, let's be mindful of those targets as well, especially considering the global economic conditions that are happening right now, the war with Russia, interest rate hikes in the United States, President Biden putting out clarity surrounding cryptocurrencies and things of that nature. All right, let's be mindful of all of those headliners. And if any of them do come out negative, some price action that we could potentially see on Casper is a dump down into the 6-cent region. Okay. Now, again, I've given you guys. Okay. So I put that video out to you all around 2 weeks ago. All right. Just to show you guys that the proof is in the pudding, that I'm not just sitting here gassing you guys up like the rest of these YouTubers. Okay. Telling you every single day that XRP or Casper or HBAR are bullish. That is unrealistic. If you're watching YouTubers like that, stop watching. If you go back on your favorite YouTubers channels, okay, the ones that have been filling your head, gaslighting you, and if they've put out bullish YouTube videos, not giving you any bearish price targets, not giving you any bearish price predictions, not being realistic with you since November 27th, unsubscribe and stop following them, because what you're doing is you're following the retail herd. You're following what the majority of individuals are doing. Okay, I've shown you guys time and time again in the previous XRP video that I just uploaded that I called out bearish targets that have come into fruition. As you guys can see now, we are almost tapping into around the 6 cent. I have buy limits set for around 6.5 cents. Why? Because we are potentially tapping into an institutional order block here. And most likely the bank and institutions, if they do not liquidate positions beneath these lows, are going to take another buy position from these lows. Okay, as you guys can see in the previous Casper video that I uploaded around 2 weeks ago, I told you guys that this 6-cent target could come into fruition. I have not deleted any price targets on Casper from the last video. Okay, none, zero. All right, I give my technical analysis for the world to see. I'm not hiding anything like these other YouTubers out there, okay, who just simply read articles for you guys and anticipate that there's going to be some type of massive rally and get you all to, fill your exchanges with money, your hard-earned money that now is depreciating in value, okay, because you don't know how to properly buy the dip. You don't know how to properly wait for price action to play out to give you a better discounted opportunity, okay? That is what the majority of individuals are doing. And as you guys can see, based off the methodologies that I teach here at CYPRX, everybody that's trading trendline, everybody that bought that dip when your favorite YouTuber told you to, okay, told you, I guarantee you, go back, look at the dates, January 22nd, January 24th, 30th, February 1st and 2nd, boom. Even here, okay, when price action was here, when we were almost at 10 cents, massive amounts of Casper videos bullish, massive amounts of XRP videos bullish. And what did the market makers do? They just came and they just made a joke of every single person that is buying trendline liquidity or buying the quote unquote dip, okay? So again, like, it's just take a second, please, and just laugh, all right? And the reason why I'm saying that, I'm going to show you guys. Look, just go to YouTube, type in Casper, okay? Type in Casper Labs. I'm going to do it myself here for you guys. Screen record my phone. Look what happens when you search up Casper. Every single video is bullish. Not one single video tells you that there could potentially be a pullback or a nasty drop on Casper, like how I gave to you guys 2 weeks ago. And this isn't to gas myself up. This is just to show you guys that I'm not sitting here giving you all smoke and mirrors. This is the type of YouTube videos that you should be watching. Real YouTube videos where I give you real expectations in the market, not these bullish expectations every single day like everybody else is doing. Again, follow my YouTube channel at your own discretion, but as you guys can see, I've called out multiple bearish targets on Casper, multiple bearish targets on XRP. not giving you guys and filling your head with smoke telling you that it's going to go up every single day. That's unrealistic. This is healthy for the market to experience. Okay. Why? Because when the market does clear out these lows and we do see a rally higher, which eventually will happen in my personal opinion, again, this isn't investing advice. Okay. That is extremely healthy. Why? Because these lows will have been cleared out. All right. So it's less likely for the market to revisit this area after it clears out these lows. It is more likely to come and grab liquidity from somewhere else, which will inversely be what? The highs. Okay. So I'm hoping that XRP and Casper drop lower. Okay. I'm praying that it does so I can fill more positions. Okay. I have buy limit set at 6.5 cents and 6 cents on Casper. Again, this isn't investing advice. That is where I am looking to purchase more Casper tokens. Okay, so what we'll see in the next upcoming days. More bearish targets to come, in my personal opinion. I do not think that the market is done selling off. Okay, what we need to be paying attention to is the Ukraine and Russia crisis. Is Russia going to, fully invade the Ukraine? Okay, if so, that is going to cause a mass sell-off, a massive sell-off. We need to be paying attention to the interest rates in March. I've told you guys in previous YouTube videos, March 15th through the 18th, you guys need to be mindful of. If all of those things come into fruition and we see some negative headliners, we could see prices on XRP and Casper drop lower. For Casper, because this is a Casper video, I'm looking for Casper to come if we do break that 6 cent region as low as 4 to 3 cents. Okay, where I have buy limits set for both 4 and 3 cents. All right, again, this isn't investing advice. Those are my personal buy limits. You guys can take them at your own discretion. If we hold above the 6 cent region and start to retrace higher, as you guys can currently see now, we would need to break the highs at around 8 cents and hold them in the form of bullish support in order to see any type of rally back to the upside. All right. I also want to show you guys this. This is from one of our students here at CYPRX. He lives in Canada. All right. I messaged him and I said, hey, bro, where did you get that information on Casper's delisting? And he sent me this. Okay. A lot of the media is not covering this right now, but Casper was delisted temporarily from crypto.com after it had been listed in January. So one of our students had messaged the customer service support for crypto.com. Why is Casper delisted? And they responded to him with this. Please be advised that due to the market regulations, the Casper cryptocurrency is currently unsupported on the crypto.com exchange. Question mark, right? Why? Because this is not generally publicized. Twitter's not talking about it. Google's not talking about it. They didn't really release this information to everybody. They kind of just delisted it out of nowhere after listing it in January, and they're not covering it on any news articles, which is very questionable to me. Okay, so I thought that I'd share that with you guys. You guys have my bullish and bearish targets. Again, if you're following YouTubers, okay, go back on their YouTube page and date check them, fact check them, how many times they put out bullish YouTube videos from, let's just say November 30th. Let's just go ahead and just chalk that up to December 1st. From December 1st, you can see that on most cryptocurrency assets, aside from like Luna, that just went on a nasty run to the upside, we can even see here that on XRP. All right, let's go back on XRP to the higher time frame. Okay, let's go to XRP. All right. Let's go to December 1st on XRP, which is when I told you guys, the majority of individuals that follow my YouTube channel, fact check me. I've been telling you guys that we could see a drop lower on XRP. Here's December 1st. We have been in a temporary downtrend since December 1st on XRP. And originally I told you guys that my bearish targets for XRP are anywhere between 30 and 40 cents. Okay, before we see a market rally higher. Same thing with Bitcoin. I think that Bitcoin is going to breach $30,000 and head for maybe $20,000. Okay, that is going to confirm the bearish targets that I have for XRP and Casper. All right, blessings to you guys all. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you do and you benefit from the information that I do put out to you guys, and we're not popping smoke here and just filling everybody's head with bullish scenarios and giving you guys actual realistic market targets and realistic expectations, understanding that it is healthy for the market to have these pullbacks and these fluctuations to the downside before rallying back to the upside. Okay, make sure that you smash that like button. It helps boost the YouTube algorithm. We are trying to grow a YouTube channel, so we really would appreciate it if you guys would subscribe to the YouTube channel if you are watching this content. We are almost at 4,000 YouTube subscribers. As always, be cognizant, be aware. Everybody stay blessed, and I will see you guys in the next video breakdown.